Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to upload if you're using Vennage for your culminating event on drugs. What you need to do is go into your account and you'll see this little button here that says publish. You're going to hit publish and then those two options will come up. You need to have your template name or whatever you're calling your culminating event. Please put your last name attached to it and then you're going to hit publish. It will come up with something that looks like this. You'll have a URL. What you're going to do is you're just going to copy that link address, go into Schoology, into our classroom page. You will see on the right hand side here the assignment that you need to upload, and you're going to tap on that, and then yours will say something like submit assignment. Once you are in your place where it says to submit the assignment, you're going to see a box on the side and it'll say submit assignment. Yours obviously looks a little different than mine. You're going to copy. I'm just going to put it here in the comments box. Do not do this. And then you are going to hit create, paste the link, and then hit submit. And that is all you have to do for Vennage.